Hey everyone, back with another keto recipe, as clean as I could get it. This was a grass-fed chicken breast tenders, about 1 pound. I took the chicken out already in this photo, sorry. And then I did get an organic mozzarella cheese and noticed it wasn't even keto and it was 7 carbs a serving. So I went and had my husband get me regular mozzarella. Not as clean, but that's okay. And then there's a red pesto, and for seasoning I used pink salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and oregano. Now you're gonna get out a pan and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Put your heat on medium and go ahead and add in your chicken breast. We're going to season the chicken breast up with heavily pink salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and oregano. Cover it and let it cook on one side. Then go ahead and flip it and just use heavily pink salt and pepper on that side. Then when it's cooked, cut it up into bite-sized pieces, cover it, and set it aside. Get out a non-stick pan now. Put it on medium heat. Once it gets warm, you're going to add in 1 cup of the mozzarella cheese. And then let's season it with Italian seasoning and oregano. Add over your chicken. And then 2 tablespoons of the red pesto. Let it cook until the bottom seems to be golden brown, and then let it slide out onto a plate. Cut it into 4 slices. This was 2 servings at 10 net carbs. There's the front view. There is the back view, the nice golden brown cheese. And you can see there's 2 servings right there. And what does that mean? My serving right there is only 4 net carbs. And let me tell you guys, this was absolutely delicious. Give it a try.